In Nigeria, we like from grass to grace story. I used to have a prayer point when I was doing Word of Faith Bible Institute, winners here. The pastor asked every one of us there that we asked for some time. People were asking wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. You know what I asked? I want more problems. I want more problems, and I want to be able to solve them all. My first prayer in Lautech when I came for post-field I knelt at that junction and I said, God, I know there is a bad image, bad name for this school. I want to be the head of this school before I leave, and I want to be the solution to the problem, the defiling institution. Today you are enjoying fast academics. I am not saying it happened because of me. It happened because God wanted it to happen. But at the same time, ask for more problems. Ask for how to solve it. And let's see if you don't make it in life.
You have to be ready.